that is our initial array, and the elements. The condition would be if AI, that is 23, is lower than AJ, that is 1, we'll change the places. But on the first pass, the places will remain the same because condition is not true. On the second pass, we'll compare again, and AI is lower than AJ, so on that step we'll change the places. We'll continue for the other elements the same way. First, we have declared the dimension of array and also the array. And for a temporary variable, we have declared variable temp. We'll take the dimension of array value from the user. We'll also take the values of array. We have to fill the array using a for loop, scanf, %d, and AI. Now that we have the values of array, we have to use two iterative structures because we need to sort the array from maximum to minimum or in a decreasing order to find the maximums that user want. If user want two maximums, we'll get the A0 and A1. For integer I equals 0, I is lower than n, I++. For integer j equal I plus 1, because we have tested A0. J is lower than n, j++. If AI is higher than AJ, temp equal AI. We need to save the value of AI because AI will take the value of AJ. AI equal AJ, and AJ will take the value of AI that is stored to temp variable. We'll say to the user how many maximums we have to find. We'll declare a simple variable m. With scanf we'll take the value using iterative structure for I is lower than m now. Printf %d maximum is %d. New line. And here I plus 1 and also AI. Now we'll compile our code and see the result. Give the dimension of array 5. We'll fill the array. How many maximums? I say 2. One maximum is 1 and 2 maximum is 2. Where is our mistake? Our mistake is because we have say if AI is higher than AJ. We have sort the array in increasing order, but we want array in decreasing order, so we'll change the condition here. If we want to find how many minimums, we'll have the condition if AI is higher than AJ, but if we want to find maximums, we'll have the condition if AI is lower than AJ. Now we'll compile our code and see the result again. Because programming is testing 5, we'll fill the array, 2 maximums. Now we are right.
Yourfastcode is an educational site and to inform about programming. Yourfastcode consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Yourfastcode has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays in two-dimensional arrays in C, etc.